Welcome to our question walkthrough. The STEM for this item is: a solutions architect must create a disaster recovery solution for a company's business-critical applications. The DR site must reside in a different AWS region than the primary site. The solution requires a recovery point objective in seconds and a recovery time objective in minutes. The solution also requires the deployment of a completely functional but scaled down version of the applications. Which DR strategy will meet these requirements? The key words and phrases for this will be pretty easy to identify because the question directly asks which DR strategy will meet these requirements. The requirements you're trying to meet are: the DR site must reside in a different AWS region, the RPO must be within seconds, the RTO must be within minutes, and the solution requires a completely functional but scaled down version of the applications. The responses are: A, multi-site active-active, B, backup and restore, C, pilot light, and D, warm standby. I'll give you some time now to see if you can identify the key for yourself. If you want more time, this is your chance to pause. I'll be resuming in 3, 2, 1. Okay, considering the requirements, I'll go through the responses. First, we have multi-site active-active for A. If you remember, this DR strategy does meet the need for being in a different region and should have no issue meeting the RPO and RTO needs. The problem is that there is a stated requirement of being scaled down, and this strategy involves the DR site being at the same level as the primary site. That means this is a distractor. Response B, backup and restore, and C, pilot light, are incorrect because while there's a possibility that one of them could meet the RPO and RTO requirements, neither of them involve a fully functional DR site with a scaled down version of the applications. That leaves us with D, the warm standby strategy. Similar to response A, this meets the requirements for being in a different region and can meet the recovery time and recovery point objectives. What makes it correct is that by design, it involves deploying a completely functional but scaled down version of the primary site. This is our key. As you can see, understanding the use and functionality of the various disaster recovery strategies will provide you with the knowledge to see how they could be implemented and how they meet various requirements. That's it for now. Talk to you soon.